Hello everyone, it's your favorite realtor Sean, and today is Monday, March 23rd, 2026. And here we are with another edition of Milestone Mondays. So let's get it cracking like we do every Monday with the past 7 days in the Metro Denver real estate market. Okay, past 7 days, 1,530 new listings. There were 1,489 price decreases. 1,489 price decreases. There are 1,616 properties that went under contract, 1,048 properties that closed. Okay, so we definitely are in the spring market. Activity has been picking up. Buyer activity has been pretty consistent over the past year or two, year over year, but we just have more inventory, which is why everything feels like it's a little slower, because it is, and taking longer, because buyers have more options right now. And so with that, what I wanted to touch on is buyers' concern right now and how this is affecting sellers. One of these big concerns is something we might consider like post-closing buyer's remorse, which we want to avoid. Because interest rates are higher right now, buyers have less disposable cash after they move in. And so they are hyper-focused on deferred maintenance. So sellers, this is really important to hear. Everything in your house, when you're thinking about selling, that you have been fine living with for however long, needs to get addressed or fixed. Buyers right now don't have that extra money to put toward new carpet or new paint or new appliances. And so if there is deferred maintenance, seller, now is the time to take care of it. Buyers, this isn't something necessarily to be scared of. We have opportunities here. We have ways around this. This is why it's super important to get a full inspection. It's why we also look at home warranties, and we have ways to make sure you're protected. And part of what I do is make sure that you are aware of the situation and we have everything lined up so that there are as few surprises as possible. With any home, with any property, there are going to be surprises after you live there. It's just what happens. But it's my job to help us make sure that there are as little as possible once we move in. So, sellers, deferred maintenance, get it done. Buyers, if there is deferred maintenance, we got options. If you have any questions about this, give me a call, 720-773-0912. We'll see you soon.